Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get all of the information out of a line. That includes the horizontal distance, the azimuth, slope distance, vertical distance, grade, and then some total length horizontal and the slope horizontal distance. So what I'm going to do to begin here is you can see that I've got the project menu open, and if I head to my survey screen, my map screen, you're going to see that I have this ever so convenient line between points 7 and 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on said line. It's going to bring up my line menu option here, and I'm going to select the option kind of near the bottom here. And you're going to see in my line information menu here, I've got all of that information that I mentioned earlier, including my horizontal distance at over 1,000,000 meters. Obviously, these are two fictitious points as I didn't drive across the country in order to make this video just for you guys. There's also my azimuth distance, my vertical distance, so the distance in height between the 2 points. And if I had a grade that was associated with these points, you would see this here. Obviously, since I'm going over 1,000,000 meters, there's a bit of funky math going on here. But that is everything in today's video. That is how you get all the information associated with a line in Microsurvey's FieldGenius for Android. And if you have a moment, I will please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.